Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear formatting in Excel. Let's get started. If you're working with a table that contains various font types, sizes, colors, or other forms of formatting that you need to remove, Excel offers a straightforward and convenient method to clear all formatting at once. To begin, select the area where you want to clear formatting. If necessary, you can clear the entire spreadsheet by clicking in the upper left corner. Then go to the Home tab. In the Editing section, click on the Clear option. Now simply click on Clear Formats. And that's it. All formatting has been removed. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.